Russelectric's founder, Ray Russell, started in his father's machine shop before being drafted into the U.S. Navy in 1942. After the war, he earned an electrical engineering degree on the GI Bill. He worked for a Boston company designing and building generators for the government. In 1955, he founded Russelectric. The 1965 Northeast blackout left 30 million people in the dark for 13 hours. After the blackout, backup power for critical facilities became a high priority. In response, Russelectric shifted from mobile generators to the power control systems that manage permanent on-site generators. Today, Russelectric is the leading supplier of power controllers for mission-critical distributed energy systems and microgrids. Headquartered in Massachusetts, Russelectric's made-in-USA equipment has the longest warranty on the market and is installed and serviced by a dedicated team of factory-trained engineers. The Russelectric Innovation Center, or RIC as it's known, is the core of our product development and customer support activities. RIC is simultaneously a fully functional microgrid and an R&D test center. The microgrid includes a diesel generator, a battery storage system, and a rooftop solar PV array. In normal operations, the microgrid supports our Massachusetts headquarters with backup power and demand-saving capabilities. In test mode, the microgrid is switched to service on-site load banks to simulate customer demand. It can be operated on these active loads to test performance in normal, high-stress, and failure scenarios. RIC is a hands-on interactive demonstration room, including full data visualization with live controls and switchgear. Today, Russelectric continues to lead the way in power control systems.
And now, as part of the Siemens family,